This is the practice test for whole numbers, and we are working here on problem number 11. And the problem states a corporate executive picks up a rental car that has an odometer reading of 18,929 miles on it. When he returns, the odometer reads 19,153 miles. And letter A asks, how many miles did he drive the car? And to determine the number of miles he drove the car, we're going to take the final reading minus the initial reading, and the difference will be the number of miles he drove. So when he dropped off the car, he had 19,153 miles on the odometer. When he picked it up, he had 18,929, and we subtract those two, the difference will be 224 miles. And that is the answer for letter A. And then letter B is asking us if the rental company charges $2 per mile, how much will the corporate executive be charged? So he drove the car 224 miles, and the rental company charges $2 per mile, $2 for each mile. So it's going to be the multiplication of 224 miles times $2 per mile. $448 will be the charge.